Learning objective E is going to let us understand what happens when we do a negative scale factor. So when a scale factor is negative, what's going to happen is it's going to flip over a particular axis. So if you want a graph to flip over, for example, the y-axis, what you would have to do is make the x negative. If you want the graph to flip over the x-axis, what you have to do is make the y negative. So it's just backwards of what you might think. So let's just look at this first graph here. They want us to take the image of a parabola, so I'm going to do that really quick. Quick little parent function. And here's the ordered pair rule. It's x and then negative 3y. So in words, what's going to happen to this graph? Well, it's happening to the y, so it's vertically. It's 3 times bigger, so it's a stretch. So it's a vertical stretch of 3, but where is it going to flip? Well, they're doing a negative to the y, so what's going to actually happen to this graph is letter C. It's going to be a vertical stretch of 3 and then flip over the x-axis. So let me just show you. Let's write an equation for it, and then let's actually see what that looks like. Well, so the equation here is y equals x squared. And all we need to do to it is we're going to go to the y and not multiply by 3, but divide, because that's backwards. To clean it up, we're going to move that negative 3 over. So then we're going to get y equals negative 3x squared. Well, remember your properties of parabolas. If the leading coefficient of a parabola is negative, it actually flips it downward. Well, folks, it flips over the x-axis. But at the same time, be careful. We already said the y's are going to get 3 times larger. So we probably should take a few ordered pairs. Let's take one of the ordered pairs that sits on it. 2, 4 typically sits on the parabola, so my parabola is a little off. But let's take the ordered pair of 2, 4. Well, if I put 2, 4 into this ordered pair rule, it's going to move to 2, negative 12. So this 2, negative 12 is going to stretch all the way down here. So it does a flip and it stretches. So that'll actually give us a little better picture for doing our sketch by hand.